How to get free gift on Temu. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. Launch your Temu application and make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land on the home page. Now at the bottom you are going to find different options. Click on the U option. Now head towards the option of credit and free gift. Over here you are going to find different options. You can use any of the options to get free gifts. To get free gifts, you can also choose that one. Just click on it. Now you can select 3-5 gifts. Once you are done selecting all the gifts, click on confirm. You can confirm your address and then click on next step in order to receive all the free gifts. Now you have to invite friends. So you can click on the option to invite friends to get free gifts. You will get different social media platforms to invite your friends, like Messenger, WhatsApp, and so on. Or you can also use your referral code. After your friends accept your invitation, you will be good to go and you will receive free gifts from Temu. So that's all for this video. This is how you can get free gifts on Temu. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel and do hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again in the next video.